Tracing has been one of the most popular techniques of transferring a drawing to a new support without changing its scale. Already used in the 13th and 14th century workshops, the tracing system is well attested throughout the Renaissance, with methods similar to those that today regulate the use of carbon paper. The technique involved blackening more or less homogeneously the back of the sheet of paper on which the drawing was made, using coal dust. The design was then placed on the new support, and sometimes fixed temporarily to prevent it from sliding. At this point, the contours of the drawing were retraced with the stylus, so that a dark trace could be deposited on the new support following the pressure lines. After tracing, as usual, the engravings delimiting the gilding and the main architectural elements were made. Then, the painter reinforced the drawing in charcoal, with a brush soaked with ink diluted in aqueous binder, or with carbon black and egg tempera.